So dear all, in this presentation we'll be seeing how to assess the symptoms of psoriatic miasm in patients. So let's see. So features of the psoriatic miasm. Psora is a word derived from the word T-psorat. T-psorat means itch. So psora is itch. So symptoms of itching and burning are very common. Psora is having the functional pathology. So it's not the structural pathology, it's not the advanced pathology. So features of the psoriatic miasm, we will see in patient the aggravation of his complaints during day and he is better at night. Sun aggravates his complaints. So any complaints which are aggravated under sun and he is better by rest. Aggravation by exertion. Patient is better by heat. Standing for a long time aggravates psoriatic patient. Now we will see the causation in the psoriatic miasm. There is suppression of scabies, eruptions in childhood or at present. Suppression of skin eruptions in the past by application of local ointments or injections. And the most important is suppression of emotions. So suppression of anger, grief, fears, all these lead to various complaints in the psoriatic miasm patients. Mental emotions of the patients are as follows. There is a general presence of grief, anger and fear. These are short lasting. They are not present for a long duration. Hysteria is present because of the hypersensitivity of the psoriatic patients. Patients experiences poor concentration. There is melancholy, so sad mood. But remember, all these emotions are short lasting. There is anticipation anxiety. Alternating moods will be also present in psoriatic miasm. General features are functional pathology of the complaints. So if patient is having burning in epigastrium, in psora there won't be peptic ulcer or gastric ulcer. It will be just functional pathology. That means if you do the gastroscopy, the mucous membrane will appear normal. So any disease has first the functional pathology and the progression is in the structural pathology. So in psoriatic patients you will observe functional pathology. There is hyperactivity and hypersensitivity reactions in psoriatic patients. Hence we get allergy. There is extreme itching followed by burning. Patient has high intensity of pains and lot of emotions. So the emotions are basic, that is anger, grief and fear, and you will not get any hatred, jealousy in psoriatic patients. And the pathology is of functional type. Patient is sensitive to odors and sound, and you will get the symptoms such as sensations as if. So there will be many sensations and patient is having easy fatigue, aggravation by exertions. Further features are restlessness, which is of both types, physical as well as mental restlessness. Patient has changeability of the symptoms, changeability in the pains also. He wants many new things, right? So which pleases him or which ameliorates him. Patient's discharges are thin, watery from nose, ears and eyes. Patient is ameliorated by normal discharge. Thus, perspiration, urination and defecation ameliorates. Return of skin eruptions which had come in the past and removed by ointments is a good sign and patient is ameliorated. Motion aggravates psoriatic patients. Sun aggravates psoriatic patient. New moon aggravates and there is aggravation before menses. So if the patient complains that sun aggravation, new moon aggravation, aggravation before menses, motion aggravates, this indicates underlying psoriatic miasm. And we will correlate if it's functional pathology, then the underlying miasm is psora. Aggravation of mind. Even though patient is not sick, he says patient is sick, he says he is all right. Nothing is matter with me. Patient is miser, that means doesn't spend money. He is selfish, timid and slow and he has got nervousness. So patient's complaints are when the patient is not sick, patient is just feeling that even some palpitations are there, he will say I am going to die of the heart complaints, but he will never die because pathology is not advanced. It's functional pathology. So the features like deficiency of the vitamins or insufficiency, want of the any vitamins, want of any nutrients correspond to psoriatic miasm. In psoriatic miasm there is disturbed metabolism and most important the absorption of the nutrients is not taking place. Hence Dr. Roberts said psora is deficiency. So deficiency is not just the scarcity of the nutrients, but the deficiency occurs because there is no absorption of these nutrients. So the problems in the metabolism. So all these important features of psora you will observe in the patients and patient will be cured by administration of deep-acting anti-psoriatic remedy. You will find redness of mucous membrane, neuralgic pains and burning pains and there will be first stage of inflammation. Skin very important of psoriatic patients. Itching is severe, voluptuous, severe itching, uncontrollable itching, dry rough skin and lot of burning. Better by scratching and better by heat. Patient is aggravated by open air. Headache of psoriatic patient will be aggravated by sun, aggravated by cold. So alternate symptoms will also present in psoriatic patients. So diarrhea alternates with constipation is a common symptom observed in psoriatic patients. He gets vertigo and headache. So that was about the short presentation on the psoriatic features you will observe in the patient, which will guide you to prescribe anti-psoriatic remedy to effect cure. Thank you.